Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 15th of September 2025. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and I'll switch over to my Excel sheet where we can review the analysis, what I've done for Tesla, and yes, in slightly more detail. However, before getting into the video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So price action, we can see very interestingly, as I had said in many of my videos, this symmetrical candle, as it approached and it broke out, we had a very strong upwards push, and is exactly what we're seeing here in the monthly charts, as pretty much exactly predicted by the technical pattern here. RSI is starting to go up, so this is in line with price action, and MACD is positive. So we have very bullish outlook on the monthly charts. Moving into the weekly charts, again, even in more detail, we see this breakout and then now the strong push out of the symmetrical triangle pattern. And the RSI had been going up the whole time, so we had been saying in the past videos there was a very strong indication the market was going to go up. And similarly, MACD has stayed positive this whole time, and the histogram is starting to widen. Another positive indicator and suggestion that Tesla should continue going up. Next, if we move on to the daily charts, we can see this in a little more detail. We see that the majority of that push this week was pretty much in the last 2 days. And if we click here, you can actually see why that is. And so we can see the massive RSI boost, volume jumps, and MACD push as well. So very, very, very strong support across charts, across time frames for Tesla. Now moving to this, we see that for this week, we buy Tesla when it crosses 396.61 and sell if it falls below 391.79 with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither hits, then we close on Friday. The weekly trend now, I would say, is bullish, and the monthly trend is bullish. Well, we just have one candle, so we will wait for a little more confirmation. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.